out the exterior design of the Fiesta, we're able to articulate the exterior design in three distinct elements. The first element is what we call the shout. It is bold, it is aggressive, it has presence in the front. Next comes the Foxy Eyes. The Foxy Eyes is sultry, sexy, intriguing. I added seductive. It is seductive and sexy. And the last, the power of the pounce. The stance that feel like it's ready to leap into actions. Those are the key elements of the Fiesta. The Fiesta will be the first to bring together Bluetooth technology, USB, and voice control into a compact car category. The technology connects to mobile phone wirelessly through Bluetooth to make and receive call through voice command. Select music track through voice command. Even choose radio station through voice command. At the Indonesia Motor Show recently, the journalists came together and told us that this is a talking car. Remember KIT? They call it a talking car. More than just superior ride and handling and sportive. The Fiesta brings in two new engines, a 1.4 liter and a 1.6 liter engine and transmission that are packed with advanced technology to deliver class-leading fuel economy.
You know what? The 5-year scheduled maintenance, or simply the PMS, the cost of that is very low, around 32% lower than the main competitor of Fiesta. The customers will be delighted, not only of the cost of ownership, but also of something new, and that is the 24-hour parts guarantee. The 24-hour parts guarantee is applicable to 54 maintenance, wear and tear, and minor repair parts consisting of more than 120 of line items available within 24 hours. And if any one of those parts will not be delivered within 24 hours, the customer will get the part free.